Who is ready to sleep, cozy in bed? Good night, farm animals in summer. The sun is sinking behind the golden fields, and the warm wind carries the hush of evening. The farm is quiet now. Let's walk gently and say goodnight to everyone who shared this summer day. Goat spent the day climbing rocks and nibbling weeds. She trotted from one fence post to another, leaping with joy and bleating with glee. Now she rests under the shade of the barn, her head tucked in and hooves still. Good night, little goat, on your hill so high. Sleep beneath the starry sky. Sheep wandered the meadow with her flock, chewing clover and watching clouds float by. Her wool is warm from the summer sun, and her eyelids droop gently now. Good night, sleepy sheep, with wool so white. Dream in fields of soft moonlight. Donkey brayed and rolled in the dusty yard. He followed the farmer for apples and scratches, then stood quietly, watching the sun go down. Now he stands in the shade of the old oak, eyes heavy. Good night, dear donkey, strong and bright. Rest in peace till morning light. Buffalo soaked in the cool, muddy pond. He stood still for hours, flicking flies with his tail and munching reeds with deep, slow breaths. Now he lies in the soft dirt, calm and still. Good night, buffalo, bold and wide. Let the hush of summer be your guide. Horse galloped through the fields, her mane flying in the wind. She neighed with joy and drank from the river, hooves echoing softly on warm earth. Now she leans against the stable wall, quiet as dusk. Good night, gracious horse, in flight. Let dreams run free through the velvet night. Pig rolled in the cool mud, squealing in delight. She snorted at butterflies and chased shadows. Now she's tucked in the straw, belly full and eyes shut tight. Good night, little pig in your pen so wide. Snore with joy, with friends by your side. Cow chewed her cud under the shade tree, tail swishing, eyes gentle and slow. She gave her milk, then wandered home. Now she lies near the fence, breathing soft. Good night, sweet cow, with your heart so wide. Sleep in peace by the pasture side. Chicken clucked and pecked all day in the sun. She chased bugs, dust bathed, and sang with her sisters. Now she's in the coop, feathers puffed and still. Good night, dear chicken, snug and right, roost in dreams through the quiet night. Dog barked at birds and ran through puddles. She followed the children and wagged at every hello. Now she's curled on the porch, one ear twitching. Good night, loyal dog, brave and true. The farm is safe because of you. Hare hopped through the grass like a flying whisper. He nibbled tender clover and froze at every sound. Now he's curled beneath a bush, barely seen. Good night, quiet hare, so light, nestled deep in the hush of night. Rooster ruled the yard with proud steps and sharp eyes. He crowed at sunrise and strutted all day. Now even he is silent, perched high on the roost. Good night, bold rooster, with feathers so bright. Rest your voice till morning light. Cat chased beetles in the barn and napped in sunbeams. She leapt onto windowsills and purred in warm corners. Now she's curled on the hay, tail wrapped around her paws. Good night, gentle cat, full of grace. Dream of quiet in your favorite place. Goose wandered by the pond, honking proudly. She dipped her beak and fluffed her feathers, then waddled back as the sun fell low. Now she nestles into soft straw, neck tucked close. Good night, wise goose, full of might. Sleep in stillness through the night. The pigeons flew in circles above the roof, gliding on summer winds, cooing softly. Now they huddle under the rafters, feathers calm. Good night, pigeons, gentle flight. Roost in dreams beneath starlight. Owl waits in silence as the world grows quiet. She blinks from the barn's rafters, watching while the others sleep. She keeps the night. Good night, owl, keeper of sight. Watch us well through peaceful night. Now the farm is resting. The fences are still. The moon has risen, and the fields are silver and kind. Everyone has found their place in the hush. And you, little one, are safe and sound, with the soft rhythm of the earth all around. Close your eyes now. Let dreams take flight. Good night, summer farm. Good night, warm fields. Good night, sweet animals. Good night, sweet soul. Good night.